everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Kaylin. Wait, real quick. Let me just put on my face cam. Just got this awesome new game that's called Girls Craft. Look at this. Everything's pink. Gosh, pink vines. Look at this. Double tap to place blocks, and then gotta hold to yeah. Wait. I bet you the dog. Guys, listen. No. This thing has calendars. Real quick. Oh, fudge. Where am I gonna put my face cam at? Here? Can I make it small? Like that? Perfect. Yes. Or like this. Seriously. Okay, I'm not gonna do a face cam. Anyways, look at this bed. Oh, fudge, a person in the wrong bed. Yeah, I'm gonna put this back upside down. There we go. There we go. This game. All you there like me. I recommend playing this game. Oh, and by the way, guys, seriously, door doesn't even open. But still, I think it does. They did say, someone in the comments of this game, said that there's a doorbell that actually works. So I'm gonna go ahead and look for that. I kid you not. There's an alarm clock. What? First of all, with a torch. Now, second of all, I'm gonna get this flipping alarm clock. I have no clue what those bottles are, but I don't even want to know. What? Who cares about this anymore? A beer mug? But seriously, who puts a beer mug there? For girls. Oh, fudge, let this load in. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. This was just a, yeah. Oh, by the way, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to slap that like button down below. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new. So, yeah.